Look, if you are looking at a packaged unit, you are looking for a workhorse that can sit out in the sun and rain and keep on ticking. I spent years as a nuclear power electrician before putting in nearly 2 decades in the HVAC trenches. I can tell you that when a system is sitting on a roof or a slab, the technical truth comes down to build quality and simplicity. Today, we are lining up 2 entry-level warriors in the packaged air conditioner category, the Airease PRPAC16 and the Ameristar A5PA3. Let us start with the build, because in the field, the cabinet is your first line of defense. Both of these units come with Louvered coil protection, which in the trade we call a win. You are not getting those cheap wire guards that let hail or a stray weed whacker mangle your aluminum fins. These louvered panels keep the airflow moving while protecting the heart of your system. Both units are manufactured in the USA and they use R454B refrigerant meeting current environmental standards. Now, where these two start to diverge is the efficiency and the electrical guts. The Ameristar A5PA3 is a baseline performer with a 13.4 SEER2 rating using a single stage compressor and a standard blower. It is simple, which is great for repairs, but it is not going to win any awards for power savings. The Airease PRPAC16 steps it up to 15.2 SEER2 while still using single stage technology. That higher SEER2 on the Airease means it is squeezing more cooling out of every kilowatt. From an electrical standpoint, a more efficient unit often runs cooler and puts less stress on your components over time. When we talk about the hit to your wallet, the Ameristar is your budget-friendly play. You can usually find the equipment for around $3,200 with installation between $5,800 and $7,500. The Airease is a premium jump, with the unit retailing near $4,100 and installed prices ranging from $7,000 to $9,500. You are paying for that jump in efficiency up front. Before I give you the winner, here is a bit of field advice for packaged units. Watch your drains and your coils. Get those coils cleaned annually or that louvered cabinet will just be hiding a wall of dirt. In the warranty battle, it is a stalemate, with both brands offering 10-year limited parts and 10-year compressor warranties. Neither of these basic tier models includes a unit replacement pledge, so you are looking at standard industry protection. The Airease is slightly quieter at 70 decibels compared to the Ameristar at 71, but you will not hear that 1 decibel difference in the real world. If I am looking at the homeowner's long-term bottom line, the winner is the Airease PRPA16. While the Ameristar is a solid, reliable unit for a quick budget fix, the 15.2 SEER2 on the Airease is the sweet spot. Over 10 to 15 years, the energy savings from that higher efficiency will more than bridge the gap in the initial install cost. It is a beefy, well-protected unit that gives you better performance without adding the complexity of variable speed boards that can fail. Shop like a pro by using our head-to-head comparison tools to find the right fit for your home.